What caused the rise of fascism? What caused the rise of fascism? To answer this, we need to look at the historical context and the political climate of the time. After World War I, many countries faced severe economic and social challenges. Italy, for instance, struggled with high inflation and unemployment. There was a widespread sense of disillusionment with the existing political order. This created a fertile ground for extremist ideologies to take root. The fear of socialism and communism played a significant role in the rise of fascism. As socialist and communist movements gained traction after World War I, many in the middle and upper classes felt threatened. Fascist movements seized on this fear, presenting themselves as the only force capable of preventing a communist takeover. They promised stability and order in a time of chaos. Nationalism also fueled the rise of fascism. Many people felt their countries were in disarray and craved strong leadership. Fascism combined elements of nationalism with authoritarian governance. This appeal to national pride resonated with those who were disillusioned with the existing political systems. Another factor was the split within socialist movements. In Italy, for example, Benito Mussolini initially aligned with socialist ideologies. However, he later broke away to form the Fascist Party. This split allowed fascist leaders to attract disaffected socialists and nationalists who felt abandoned by traditional socialist parties. Economic crises further drove people towards fascism. The fear of economic collapse made many seek out extremist solutions. Fascist regimes promised to restore economic stability and national pride, which appealed to those suffering from hardship. They positioned themselves as the answer to the economic woes plaguing their nations. Additionally, fascism can be seen as a reaction to social democracy. Some communists viewed social democracy as too moderate and a form of fascism because it supported the existing capitalist order. This perspective contributed to the rise of fascist movements as they positioned themselves against what they perceived as a diluted form of socialism. In summary, the rise of fascism was influenced by a combination of post-war economic distress, fear of socialism, nationalism, splits within socialist movements, and reactions to social democracy. Understanding these factors helps us see how fascist movements exploited fears and grievances to gain power. This historical context is essential for recognizing the importance of addressing economic and social issues through democratic means to prevent the rise of authoritarian regimes.